Hey guys, a very good morning and welcome to a new daily market outlook for the 27th of May 2021. Yesterday's DXY analysis has been playing out to absolute perfection, so let's see what's next. So as we can see on the DXY, we've been moving bullish since the third trendline touch of that overall smaller descending wedge. So at the moment, what we are waiting for is a close above this descending trendline of the overall greater descending wedge. So as we can see, we already had a retest with this bearish candle over here. However, it is essential that in the next 20 minutes, we do see another bullish close. Because once that bullish close occurs, then we have confirmation that we will start seeing a next push towards the upside. So on the DXY, my next target is going to be 90.700, and therefore what needs to happen? Well, we need to break above these highs over here, get a nice breakout, and then from there onwards, I want to see a retest to then push further in towards that 90.700 region. So as we can see, the DXY bullishness has been playing out to absolute perfection, so let's hope that the DXY can continue full steam forward. So with the DXY discussed, let's head over to Aussie dollar. So as you can see, Aussie dollar has been playing out to absolute perfection. As I mentioned yesterday, what we were going to do potentially was take out the highs above this swing high over here, hit all those stop losses, and then tank towards the downside. So as you can see, once we saw the fake out on that major swing high of 0.77828, we did start tanking towards the downside. So personally, I had a nice short running from all the way up here. And after that, what I did was that I did take partials on the retest of this key level up around here at around 0.77402. So what are we waiting for next on Aussie dollar? Well, as we can see, we created a new lower low in comparison to this low over here. So at the moment, just going to be waiting for the pullback to then sell Aussie dollar further towards the downside in towards that key level of 0.76882. So no longs on the board at all, only until we break back above this high up here and break through the zone of 0.779. So yep, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. And as we can see, Euro dollar has been playing out beautifully as well. So we started tanking from the double top up above over here at 1.22454. So at the moment, we're rejecting this area of demand on the 1 hour or on the 4 hour, excuse me. So at the moment, what do I expect? Well, what I'm expecting is potentially a retest of the ascending trend line over here to then tank further towards the downside. However, it wouldn't be surprised if we just start tanking from here. Then what I'll do is just take a trade on the retest of the key level of 1.218. Then just trade the potential new lower high. So yep, that's Euro dollar, no longs on the board at all. Next up is pound dollar. And pound dollar, also beautiful, just been tanking towards the downside, currently situated within this area of potential reversal. So what needs to happen for pound dollar next? Well, we need to break through the zone, retest that, and then we'll start tanking towards the downside. Not much more to say on that personally. We just quickly look at the 1 hour. What we can see is that the 1 hour is very choppy. Not that much going on, to be honest. Therefore, pound dollar is not the most interesting pair to trade when looking at, for instance, Aussie dollar or Euro dollar. So all I can say for now is that I am looking for more downside. However, the entry manner is still a question. So yep, with pound dollar discussed, let's head over to our last pair, which is Kiwi dollar. And I am absolutely in love with Kiwi dollar, because as we can see, we rocketed up in towards the highs, created a beautiful fake out on that swing high of 0.73052. Since then, been tanking towards the downside. If we just quickly go and look at the 1 hour, what we can then see is that we currently are impulsing back towards the downside and currently retracing. If you then draw in a fib, let's say like this, what you'll then see is that we currently hit the 618 and are getting a bearish close. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do start tanking from this 618 fib back towards the downside. So yeah, personally not looking at any longs, mainly due to the fact that the overall ascending channel has matured and is bearish. So yeah, that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and are enjoying the analysis that I am sharing with you guys. If you do, please leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. Thanks, guys.